Are you a Ghost Recon Breakpoint player experiencing issues with the game not working? Well, you are not alone. We understand how frustrating it can be when you are unable to play your favorite game due to technical difficulties. In this video, we will be addressing some of the common reasons why Ghost Recon Breakpoint may not be working and what you can do to troubleshoot the issue. Hi, my name is Abhayanshu Rao and let's start the video. First, check your internet connection. Ghost Recon Breakpoint is an online game, so a stable internet connection is required to play the game. Check to see if your internet is stable and has enough bandwidth to support online gaming. Next, check if your game is up to date. Ghost Recon Breakpoint often receives updates that include bug fixes and performance improvements. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version by checking for updates in your gaming platform or launcher. If your game is up to date and you are still experiencing issues, try clearing the cache and data of your gaming platform or launcher. This will erase all your current settings and reset them to their default state. To do this, go to your gaming platform or launcher setting menu and look for the clear cache or data option. Another reason why your Ghost Recon Breakpoint may not be working is due to not meeting the minimum system requirements. Check your system specifications to see if your computer meets the minimum requirements needed to run the game smoothly. If you meet the minimum system requirements and still experiencing issues, try adjusting your graphic settings. Ghost Recon Breakpoint is a visually demanding game and some computers may struggle to run it smoothly. Try lowering the graphic settings and see if that improves the game's performance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.